Alright, cabin air filter. Let's change it. Okay, there's these little tabs. See this tab right here? Pull up on it. And then it comes out. There's a bunch of them. Alright, come over here. Back behind there. There's one hiding right there. And up around here, there is that. So pop that out too. See a little thing right there? Okay, I had to close the hood to be able to access this one easier. Okay, what I did was just I twisted this around and I popped. Okay, we're back, and there's this little thing right here. It comes out, and then here it's you can just kind of pop it up. Okay, and then you can see back here, and there's the filter. See it? You can just go in there and grab it, pull it out, and then put the new one. Let's go ahead and reach in there, pull it out. There you go. One cabin air filter. This one's a little dirty. There's a little dead spider. See right there? Yeah, just take a look inside there. And it goes inside there. That's where the filter goes inside. Isn't that cool? You see? No plunger required. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, installation. I'm gonna put the same one in since it's not that dirty. Installation is reversal of removal. Alright. Make sure you put it the right way. This one says airflow that way, so I gotta look inside there. And it says airflow right there. Isn't that cool? Airflow. And it's pointing that way. So when I put the filter in, it's gotta be pointing that way. Alright, get that in there. Alright. You might have to take this part off too. There's a couple bolts to loosen on that too, but make sure you get in there. Get in there good. There's a couple tabs to get behind. There we go. Okay, with these, you gotta insert this part first down in the hole, and then you put this tab down. It should go right in. There we go. It should push right down. Alright, see how it goes in there? It just pushes down. See, it only goes one way. Yeah. There. But you can see this design goes in like that. Pops out. Like that. And you're going to want to put this part in first and then put that over top. And then there's one more. There we go. And that's how you change. That's how you change a cabin air filter. Thank you. And here's my trusty plunger.